He'd had a strange pressure in his face for years, and doctors thought it was just sinus problems. But one day, during a bad cold, he felt a sharp sting deep in his nose, right before he let out the hardest sneeze of his life. As he blew into a tissue, a small metal chunk shot out and clanged into the sink. It was a deformed bullet, you see. He'd been hit by a stray shot as a kid, and no one ever found it. The round had lodged behind his sinus and stayed there for decades, until one violent sneeze finally pushed it out.